Two major controversies, both due to be decided by the Supreme Court by June 2012, will land in the midst of the fight for the White House. First, the challenge to the president's health care law, and today, word that the court will also take up the legal battle over Arizona's controversial immigration law, SB 1070.
I think there is no doubt that this is going to be one of the most momentous terms for the Supreme Court in recent decades.
Portions of the Arizona law were struck down by a lower court, including a provision that would require law enforcement officers to attempt to determine the immigration status of a person who's been stopped, arrested, or detained for another reason if there's suspicion they're in the country illegally. Today, Arizona Governor Jan Brewer, who said she was, quote, stunned at the audacity of the Obama administration to file suit against an individual state seeking to safeguard its people, said her state was forced to act because of the federal government's inaction. The administration has long maintained that states like Arizona have stepped far beyond their constitutional boundaries in passing their own immigration laws.
The department has been involved in these lawsuits because there's a basic principle in the lawsuits that we are seeking to vindicate, which is that on immigration matters, there's one and only one quarterback, and that is the federal government.
In addition to Arizona, the Justice Department also has suits pending against 3 other states because of their immigration laws: Alabama, South Carolina, and Utah. Private groups have also filed suits against Georgia and Indiana.
I think the administration is going to continue taking its aggressive approach before the Supreme Court and saying that the states simply have no authority to be regulating in an area that really is a federal prerogative.
Justice Elena Kagan did not participate in the court's decision to take up the Arizona case and presumably won't hear the oral arguments next spring. If the case ends in a 4-4 tie, the Ninth Circuit's decision blocking portions of SB 1070 will stand. In Washington, Shannon Bream, Fox News.